Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Martin. Kama kawaida, this is BestlyTech channel where you can get news about technology and new gadgets. Today you're going to see this amazing phone by the name Tecno Camon 18 Premium. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, share. Yeah, thank you for your support guys. Big up Pluto, big up Eve Mungai, big up Paris. Yeah, na wengi. Thank you for your support guys. I think you're going far. Najua tutaenda mbali. Continue subscribing guys. Like, comment and share. Simu ndo hii hapa. I think you can see it. Let's continue watching. Big up guys. Karibuni sana. Our review today is about this amazing phone from Tecno, which is Tecno Camon 18 Premium, which was released on October 11, 2021. It's a nice phone, amazing phone, as you can see guys. The phone has dual Nano-SIM, that means inaweza tumia line mbili. The phone has a 6.7 inches display. Alafu pia iko na 128 GB internal memory, so that's enough memory for you if you want to take your pictures, videos, yeah, on new music, yeah. Also iko na 8 GB RAM. Hiyo inamaanisha simu yako haiwezi hang, processor yake iko juu. Yeah, it can never hang. 8 GB RAM is a lot. Okay. Main camera yake ni 64 megapixel. Imagine 64 megapixel for your videos and photos. It looks amazing. I think you can see. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, comment, yeah, and share the video. Yeah, you can comment and tell me what you think about the phone. Okay, it has a selfie camera of 32 megapixel. That's amazing. Most of the phones zenye zinatoka nowadays ziko na hazina FM, but hii simu iko na FM radio. Pia iko na support ya headphones, meaning iko na 3.5 mm jack. Yeah, pia phone ni fast charge. Iko na 33 watts fast charge capability, meaning with no time inajaa haraka. Battery yake ni ya 4750 mAh, so inaweka moto vizuri and you can do your things. You can record your videos, you can take pictures, listen to music, watch videos. Yeah, it's a nice phone. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and make sure turn on notification by pressing the notification bell. Now you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. Yes, that's all for today. Thank you guys. Make sure you watch our next video, which will pop shortly after this.